Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video we are going to be doing the clean girl makeup look. I'm not really a clean makeup, natural makeup type girly. I like a full face, full beat, like concealer, eyeshadow, all that good stuff. So I was like, in today, let's just try out the clean girl makeup look. I have this little like face template that I found on Pinterest of like how the girlies do the clean girl makeup look or whatever. So I have that. So I have some pictures of just like the clean girl makeup look on other people. So let's just get started. If you guys want to see me attempt the clean girl makeup trend, just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. I just filled them in a little tiny bit, you know. I had to do a little something with the brows because they be looking crazy. They still be looking crazy after I fill them in, but we're just gonna leave it go. Okay, so first we put on moisturizer after we washed our face. Now we're just gonna put on like primer or whatever, but for primer I'm gonna use this setting spray just so it's still like nice and dewy. That dry a little bit. This would also be a nice, I'm assuming, I haven't done it yet, so but I'm assuming that this will also be a nice beachy look, like, you know, if you want to put on a little bit of makeup to go to the beach, look like bronzy, blushy, you know what I mean? It's like a nice beachy type look. Okay, so first things first, they say moisturizer, primer, and then concealer. So I'm not going to take a light concealer. I'm going to take the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer, and I'm going to put this under my eyes. And then I'm also going to put it on some of my like dark spots. On my chin, on my nose, and on my forehead. There's a lot of sounds going on in my house, so guys, just ignore that and try to listen to the sound of my voice. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. It's gonna be so weird not using foundation. I hope this looks good because I always use foundation. But not using foundation is so strange to me. Like, I'm going to the Roots Picnic, which is like a music festival if you don't know. And I always do like a full face of makeup. And maybe if this looks good, I could do this. Because it's like a no foundation and stuff. And for bronzer, we're going to take the Juvia's Place Cream Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. I haven't used this before. So we'll see how it goes. We're just gonna take that on a flat brush and just put it, ooh, like on our cheeks, on our forehead, our nose, and also like kind of like winged out by our eyes. And then I'm also gonna put some on my chin. In the picture it doesn't have that. Ooh, I digged in real deep. Sorry, girly. Okay. This looks beautiful. Not my face. The bronzer. So we're gonna take this Real Techniques cheek brush. This is what I always use to blend out my contour. And I'm just gonna blend this upwards. I'm also tapping it. Wow. Okay. And I don't know if this is giving clean girl, but we're just going to take a little bit of my lighter concealer and just pop that a little bit under the eye. We're also going to bring it up into the inner corner of my eyelids, like as you can see. And then the next thing is liquid blush. So we're just going to take Juvia's Place in the shade Rosy Posy and just put that. I'm also going to put some on my nose. Okay, and now for powder, we're going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. And we're just going to set everywhere that we put concealer with a little powder puff. Put a little bit more blush because I feel like this is very blush focused, and so is like beachy type makeup. You want to look kind of like sunburned in a way, but like in a cutesy way, if that makes sense. So you want to go heavy on the blush. And now for powder bronzing, we're just going to take the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder in the shade Dark Ebony. I'm just going to take that and we're going to lightly bronze with that. We're also just blending this out on the outer corner of our eyes, kind of putting it on the lid very messily. Okay, this is actually looking really cute. Like, I really like it so far. So we're just gonna do some highlight. Let me get a highlight. Okay, so we're gonna take the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer Reflecting Drops, and we're just gonna take this. I'm just gonna lightly dab it on top of our cheekbones. We're gonna put it on our nose. We're just gonna blend that out. Also gonna take the Saharian Blush Volume 2, and we're gonna take Zoba. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's like a pink shimmer shade, and we're just gonna powder highlight with that. We're gonna take, listen, I'm lazy and I don't feel like getting up, so I'm just taking what's in front of me, and I have all my Juvia's Place palettes like in front of me. So I'm gonna take the Nubian 2 palette. You can take whatever highlight. I'm gonna take Zuri, which is like a nice shimmer shade. I'm just gonna put that and highlight with that. Oh, there we go. That's the highlight I was looking for. And then I'm also gonna take it with my finger and just put it away. That was way too much. I just put it on my lid, but we're gonna blend it out with a big fluffy brush because it was way too much. This is cute. Okay, period. Now let's put on some mascara. The thing that is really like getting to me and it makes me want to cry, no, I'm just kidding, but the thing that's really getting to me is the no lashes, and that is like what's gonna really like make this look like a bare face to me. You know what, I am gonna do a brown liner. I changed my mind again, so let's just do that. We're gonna take Juvia's Place shade in Kenya, and we're just gonna do a wing liner with that. And the mascara that I'm using is a Paris Hilton Lengthening Mascara. Guys, I don't really have any good mascaras because I usually would just put on a lash, and I don't really care about my lashes. Like, I just need them to be black, if that makes sense, when I put on a lash. So I don't really know how good this mascara is. I think I got it from like TJ Maxx or something. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do some faux freckles. Basically what I do is I just take a brown eyeshadow and just like do some dots, press over them with a powder puff, and yeah, that's basically how I do my faux freckles. I want to get a faux freckle product that like you can like tap on your finger and just like go like this, and it works better, but for now this is just how I do it. I'm a cheap girly, so if you guys want to like know how to make stuff work with like one product, then like subscribe, because I am the girly for you, because I am cheap. Like, I am so cheap, it's not even funny. So now for lips, we're just gonna put on a gloss. Actually, I'm gonna take some of this highlighter and put it on my Cupid's bow. Cutie booty. Now let me go off camera, situate myself. get myself situated. No, I'm just kidding. I really want to put on a lash so bad, but let me go off camera, just fix my hair, because it's been back in these clips, and I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is I can't even talk. What is going on with me? Okay guys, so this is the finished clean girl makeup look. I honestly, guys, am I turning into a clean girl makeup girly? Because I really love it. I think it's super cute. I think it's super beachy and just like very like natural. The freckles are a lot, I'm gonna be honest. I think I did them a little bit too dark, but they still look super cute. Yeah, the lack of a lash is throwing me a little bit, but it's still so cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you think I should be a clean girl makeup girly for the rest of my life now, because this is super cute. And also, like, I'm gonna be wearing this to the beach. Let's go to the beach. If you're getting in the water, obviously, oh, I forgot, put on setting spray after you're done. If you're going in the water, get a waterproof mascara and all that good stuff. But this is very cute and beachy. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. Watch another video if you like makeup. If you like me, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.